Hello, my name is Elisa. Welcome to the Lingopie channel. Lingopie is a streaming platform for language learning with interactive and sophisticated language learning tools. Today I'm here in order to teach you the slang words in German which I use. The first word is Geil. Geil literally means actually when a plant is in its fertile state, but we use it for amazing or awesome. So you would say geiles Wetter, amazing weather. Number 2, Alter. Alter literally means the age. And it means also, we use it in the context of dude or mate and expressing like awe or surprise. For example, Alter, du wirst nicht glauben, was mir passiert ist. Alter, you are not gonna believe what happened to me. Alter, was hast du gemacht? Alter, what did you do? That's how you use it. Number 3 is Hammer. Hammer is also used as amazing or awesome. So der Film war Hammer. The movie was Hammer, like amazing, was amazing. Der Film war der Hammer. Number 4 is a word which is made up basically. It's Jein. It's like a combination between Ja and Nein, yes and no in German. Jein. It's used a lot in German in order to express when you're not sure about something. Do you want to go to the party? Jein. I want and I don't want to go to the party. Word number 5 is Quatsch. Quatsch means literally nonsense and you use it like straightforward. Das ist doch Quatsch. This is nonsense. Das ist Quatsch. Word number 6, Bock haben. Bock haben means whether you have a motivation to do something or not. Ich habe keinen Bock auf den Film. I don't have any motivation to go to see the film. Ich habe keinen Bock auf den Film. Word number 7, krass. Krass, es ist so krass heiß, intensifying the meaning of what you're trying to convey. Es ist so krass heiß. Es ist so hot. Es ist so krass heiß. Number 8, verarschen. Verarsch mich doch nicht. Don't tease me, don't mock me. Verarsch mich doch nicht. Verarsch mich doch nicht. It comes from Arsch, from ass, like basically. Don't ass me. Don't ass around with me. Verarsch mich nicht. And the last word for today I have for you is Kater. Kater means hangover. I have such a big hangover. Ich habe so einen Kater. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. If you want to try Lingopie in a 7-day free trial, feel free to try out language learning through TV, Netflix, music, podcasts. You're gonna get access to all the pieces of media we have in the platform. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye. Tschüssi.